वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। जैसा कि हम जो हमारा टॉपिक चल रहा है इंजीनियरिंग ऑफ कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर, उसमें हम पढ़ेंगे आज प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सिस्टम डिज़ाइन। सिस्टम डिज़ाइन के प्रिंसिपल्स क्या हैं, किन की बुनियाद पर सिस्टम को डिज़ाइन किया जाता है, उनके बुनियादी जो प्रिंसिपल हैं उनको हम डिज़ाइन करेंगे। It is well understood that on the way dealing with completely in the to the job system in manageable PC, there are many possible way of dividing system into modules. किसी भी बड़े सिस्टम को बहुत से तरीके हैं किसी भी बड़े सिस्टम को छोटे से हिस्सों में डिवाइड करने का। Some of decision however do not lead to well organized system. There are several design principles that well organized. This include the principle of modularity, localization and information hiding। हम पढ़ते हैं मॉडुलरिटी एंड लोकलाइजेशन जाती है। Recall that important principle that help us deal with system complexity in modularity. Throughout this book, we have attempted to use modularity to keep the solution of given problem easier. The decomposition of solution has resulted in a set of modules to this point. In the top-down development strategy that we have used throughout the next, we have usually decompose each successive level into different modules. Frequently, the higher level module have specified what action to be performed, while lower level module was happy how the action are to be performed. System reliability enhanced by providing well-defined interface of modules. The modules that make up system often interact with each other. The degree or strength of interconnection or coupling among modules is very important. Loosely coupled modules are desired since modules can be handled to a relatively independent manner. Another important concept that can be applied on this module that can be given program. The conception of module relate to how tightly bound or related to element of five module or each together. Well organized modules exhibit cohesion. Conflict and cohesion will be described in detail. The the principle of localization can help us in modules that are loosely coupled and strongly cohesive. Collecting or related element in one module using ensure that module has strong cohesion. Localization supports the independence of modules, which result in loosely coupled modules. The principle of modularity and localization help in producing systems which are reliable, modifiable, understandable. In well organization, you term your given modules they should be the further module. The localization of region knowledge taken to contain module will ensure that effect of modularization will limit it to manage a set of modules. Finally, the proper modularization of a system will result in simpler construction among modules, reducing the complexity of the system and enhancing its reliability. Abstraction and information hiding। एब्स्ट्रैक्शन जो प्रोग्राम में कोई भी सिस्टम को हाइड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट वो होता है जो चीज़ को महसूस किया जा सके, छुआ ना जा सके। द complexity of a program of a system can be managed by using abstraction. Abstraction is a common principle that is applied in many situations. The main idea is to define a part of system that can be understood itself without knowing the detail and specify how this unit is used at higher level. Most programming language supports abstraction at least through a program facility. The type of facility program produces abstraction. Another type of abstraction, data abstraction, is supported by few languages. The purpose of data abstraction is to isolate each data structure or an isolated action. For example, assume we have some data structure which is used to in a given application to hold information about customer. Assume that operation or process to be performed. This data structure include those of insertion, deletion, and searching. These operations are done at the record or customer level. The isolation of customer in some modules as shown in figure as the example of abstraction। जैसा कि इस टॉपिक में हमने पढ़ा कि एब्स्ट्रैक्शन वो चीज़ होती है जैसे कि किसी चीज़ को छुआ जा सके, महसूस किया जा सके, टेस्ट। इसी तरह प्रोग्राम में किसी भी मॉड्यूल को बैकएंड पे चलाने के लिए उसकी जो भी एक सिस्टम होता है उसको छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में डिवाइड किया जाता है और उसके मॉड्यूल को बस एब्स्ट्रैक्शन के ज़रिए हाइडिंग करके देखा जा सकता है। जैसे एक प्रोग्राम है, उसको लार्ज प्रोसेसिंग, उसको वो सिस्टम में अनअवेलेबल है, उसकी कोई वैल्यूएबल नहीं है, तो उसको बैकएंड पे चला देता है ताकि वो जो यूज़र है, जो भी सिस्टम बना रहा है, प्रोग्रामर बना रहा है, तो उसको एंड पे चला सके, यूज़र का भी फ़ायदेमंद हो। हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दें।